How you doing? And thanks for watching. We're here on the workbench, and today we're going to talk about brackets, 90-degree brackets specifically, brackets like this for our Thin-X series of lights. We have a TIR Thin-X, we have a LIN Thin-X. As you can see, they're two different lights, both very high quality, very nice lights. And I have a new bracket available that will fit both. And there's a little bit of modification needed to fit the bracket on the LIN series light. The bracket fits the TIR series light perfectly right out of the box. You can see the included hardware that you get with the bracket. It comes with two different sets of nuts and bolts, one small and one large. Normally, when you're mounting the TIR, you will use the smaller set of hardware. As you can see here, it goes in no problem. It bolts right up, and you could trim it to length as needed. That'll take care of the 90-degree bracket on the smaller set of hardware for the TIR series, and then you can use either the included screws with the light or the larger set of nut and bolt to mount that. So now we have that all covered. That's exactly how it works with the TIR. Now, if you're going to use this bracket on the LIN series, like this, as you can see, it'll fit quite nicely. It is level here, so you can mount it like this. The only thing you have to do is on the back, we have to enlarge these two holes that are currently in the bracket at 3 mil. We need to enlarge those to 1/4 inch. Now, I just used a simple tool like this to enlarge it to 1/4 inch. I will recommend one of these unibit tools quite strongly. These are very, very good for drilling thin metal like that. Once you enlarge it to 1/4 inch, you'll be able to use the larger nut and bolt for the Thin-X light, and it will hold it. And what I mean by enlarging it is, you can see here on this one, we've already done that. And as you can see, the bolt spacing is just a little different. So as you can see here, we've enlarged that to 1/4 inch, which allows the larger bolts to go on and the larger nuts, and gives you the ability to use this bracket on either the LIN series or the TIR series of light. And I hope that helps you install the 90-degree bracket. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings. Make sure you check a link in the description of this video for links to these lights, links to these lights, and links to these brackets. Smash that like and subscribe. Make sure you share this with your friends and family. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings, your #1 source for construction and emergency safety strobe lighting equipment. See you on the next video.